Hey, good day. This is Blue Shirt, and I've got another Euro from Wilka. This is a Wilka German lot, and pretty challenging. It's a Y1 type keyway. That second pin protects a lot of these other ones. I think it's the lowest lift. Lock works very well. It responds better to me with some heavy tension, at least to start with. One is binding. Alright, let's do this differently. Get that first pin to set. Okay, there we go. Now, switch back. I just touch 2, 3, there's jiggle in 1 and 2. 2 keeps slipping down. 3, okay, 4, nice, jiggle, 5. Okay, here must be a standard pin, but there's jiggle, 6. Nothing. Well, there's jiggle there, but I didn't really feel like I set it. 1 is set. 2 feels set. Didn't get a click out of it. It's just glancing off the pin. 3. Okay. 4. Okay. 5. Okay. 6. There's jiggle there, but never really felt like I set it. pick out of the Ridgeback set. Was it that number 6? Just, if you remember the key, that number 6 was just tough to get to. That 2 really protects everything. I'd love to take this apart, but Wilka, they have this. My dog just farted. They have this clip on the back that's continuous, and they've crimped it on. I could cut it. I don't want to, but I'll try to find some stock pins or stock images of the pins for this and post them with the video. But anyway, this was a fun one. It was interesting to learn about it, and it's kind of tricky to get it set, at least for me. Anyway. Thank you guys for hanging out, and have a great day. See ya.